Okay, algebra students, we are back. All right, for this next one, it says consider the numbers -1, 0, 1, and 3, which are solutions of this. 13 minus 7y is less than or equal to 6. Well, this is a relatively simple problem, though it might take us a little bit of time, so keep that in mind. The difference between simple and time-consuming is different, right? So I'm going to do this. It's going to be a substitution problem. I'm going to have to say which one of these fits into y and makes this true. I ask myself, which one of these is true? So there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you know what? I'm going to do the problem 4 times. Now, first thing I'm doing is this. Just showing you that we're really doing the same thing multiple times. I put 0 in for that one already. I didn't want to do that. But I'm literally doing the same thing multiple times. There is no... So when I say it's time-consuming, it takes time, but it's also not very difficult. Because the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in numbers. And 3. So I did the same thing 4 times. The only difference is where the y was, I changed that number to the 4 possibilities they gave us. They gave us -1, they gave us 0, they gave us 1, and they gave us 3. So the quick question is, which one of these is true? Well, I'm going to find out which one of these is true. First thing I'm going to do, right? PEMDAS, multiplication before anything. 13. -7 times -1 is +7. I'm not using the calculator because it's relatively a simple idea. You can put it in the calculator if you want. The calculator will not solve for this. You can do this side first and then compare it. So if I was going to put this in the calculator, what I would put in the calculator would just be this part. And then I would compare it to 6. Okay? So then I would have the answer, and I'll show you where the calculator would leave me off. 13 plus 7 is 20. So if you use the calculator, that would be what the answer you got from the calculator. Then you plug it in right here, and then you look at it and you go, well, 20 is less than or equal to 6? Sorry, buddy. That is false. Okay, let's do this next one. -7 times 0. Well, anything times 0 is just 0. So 13 minus 0 is greater than or equal to 6. 13 minus 0 is just 13. Is 13 less than or equal to 6? Nope. Sorry, buddy. False. Next one. 13 minus 7 times 1 is less than or equal to 6. -7 times 1 actually will give me 13 minus 7. As I said, you can check it out in the calculator. To save time, we're doing it this way. 13 minus 7 is just 6. Is less than or equal to 6. Well, that's true. It's equal to. So this is saying less than or equal to. So suddenly we have something that's really good here. And I'm going to make it, I guess, light green. I'm saying true. There's one. Now, it's this last one right. Now, this question is this one right. All right, let's figure this out. -7 times 3, you put in the calculator, you get this. Now, watch this. Even though this number is bigger, right? It's probably the biggest of the numbers here, the largest. Look what happens here. 13 minus 21 gives us this number of -8. Ignore this. -8 is less than or equal to 6? Yes, because it's negative. It's on the left-hand side of the number line. So if we had a number line like this, and we had 6 over here, and somewhere here is 0, negative 8 would be over here somewhere. So yes, less than. So yes, again, another answer is true. Good job, guys. I will talk to you in a minute. I'll talk to you tomorrow. This is the end of the lesson. Finish this up, get good grades. Come on, we're almost near the end.